Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day filled with new blessings, and we are still in the coastal city of Split in the beautiful country of Croatia. Well, guess what, guys? Today is my B-day, my birthday, and guess what? I'm spending it in this beautiful city, but we'll be leaving in a few more hours and we will be going to another beautiful city. But you guys will see when we get there. But it's that time of the day when we're gonna have some breakfast. Yeah, so we are heading into the old town of Split, which is about 2 minutes walk from our hotel, and we're gonna have some breakfast. So come along with us, guys, as we explore some more of the beautiful town or city of Split. So we just had a amazing breakfast at Cherry, Berry, and Bella. Seems like it's also a hotel, but yeah, the French toast was very good. The croissant, or the croissant, the almond croissant was very good. Also, the wifey ordered the apple juice. It's from a local farm. The apple juice was very delicious, tasty, very natural. So yeah, you can definitely go there. Also, they have a few platters, one for a men's health, one for a woman's health, and I guess one for both health. So you can definitely check it out when you are in Split. We might make our way over to the Split side because yeah, it's something that you definitely can do when you're in Split. You cannot get any more, I would say, more touristy than that. So yeah, so we're going to walk around some more and we'll definitely show you guys around. It's a beautiful sunny morning here in Split. Just found the famous Split site. It's right across from the palace and also Green Market.
Hello.
This is the sign. So yeah, so it's about 11 a.m. in the morning. So a lot of the tour buses are here. So you can just imagine they're is a large group around the split sign. So yeah, I don't think we'll be able to take a picture with it, but yeah, just wanted to show you guys. I don't know what the emperor was thinking about when he, wanted to build such a massive place for retirement. How did he plan to sleep into so many rooms? How did he plan to be in so many different places? This place actually got the UNESCO World Heritage status in 1979. It's a pretty massive building. It's like maybe about almost half of the whole old town. It's massive. So we have a couple more minutes here left in Split, Croatia, and the weather is looking beautiful. I wish this was the weather the entire trip, but it wasn't. But the weather wasn't as bad as we thought it would be. But we had a great time here in Split. If you're coming to Split, there's a few ways you can get here. You can get here by the plane, by the ferry, you can get here by the bus. It just depends on where you're coming from. But when you're leaving, you can do the same way. But straight ahead is where you can get your tickets for the transport to the airport. Those buses are run on schedule, and it's €11 per person for those airport transfer. If you're taking a ferry, right over there is where the ferries are. The one that you can drive, the car ferries are over on that side. If you're going on cruises or tours to other islands, it's along the harbor here. So when you are in Split, there are a few ways you can move around. You can move around by scooters. They have Bolt, they got Uber, they got the public buses, and they have taxis. But we haven't heard any good story or comments about the taxis. All we hear is stay away. So another thing, once you're coming to Croatia, make sure you have some cash, because cash is king. For the airport transport, they only take cash. If you want to eat at some of the more authentic restaurants, they only take cash. Some places within the Old Town region is cash only. So make sure you have cash. Cash is king. So, was it worth it to come to Split? Was it worth it to go to Zadar? Yes, it was, because they are both two beautiful cities with two wonderful old town, and we will definitely be back in Croatia, because there are so many things that we didn't get to do, especially going to the other islands, exploring the Adriatic Sea some more. So we will definitely be back Croatia. Thank you guys for watching. If you like our video, please like, subscribe, share, drop a happy birthday down below. And until next time, fam, peace, one love, and we will see you in another European country.